Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on a project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Vechain. Sovereign Wealth Fund VET eyes $150 million for crypto fund of funds. A former sovereign wealth fund professional is targeting $150 million for crypto fund of funds under the Neural Capital banner, betting on the Web3 revolution, with backing from one of the industry's biggest moneymakers. Rabia Iqbal plans to close the new firm's first fund at the end of February, according to a source familiar with the matter, and marketing materials obtained by Blockworks. Iqbal declined to comment. Neural's flagship vehicle, First Light Fund, plans to deploy capital to crypto-focused hedge and venture capital managers, along with token investments and direct equity stakes in the blockchain sphere. First Light was constructed to maximize alpha, while avoiding the need to actively manage a portfolio of funds, tokens and equity positions, the marketing materials state. The firm, which has a presence in New York, Hong Kong and Puerto Rico, is backed by Kinetic Capital, a proprietary investment firm that has invested in BlockFi, FTX and Solana in seed rounds. Kinetic executives Jihin Chu and Tony Gravinas are Neural general partners, and contributing to a sizable GP commitment for the fund. Iqbal's venture is one of a growing number of crypto fund of funds operators to emerge lately, drawn by an abundance of portfolio managers to launch funds in the space in the last year or so. Former Fidelity Digital Funds executive Michael Zieneman is also attracting the interest as it is an open ledger. Trying to sneak lots of money through crypto would be more traceable than using United States dollars cash, art, gold, or other assets, he said. At the same time, most exchanges admit they do not plan to ban Russian users, unless being explicitly told to do so by regulators. A spokesperson for Gate.io told Cryptonews.com that it remains compliant with local and international regulations, and as such has no immediate plans to ban any users from a specific country or geography, unless being legally required to by regulators, or specifically outlined in sanctions being issued. Additionally, a spokesperson for OKX said the exchange was reviewing customer accounts and activity to identify any exposure to sanctioned parties, but that at this stage, we do not have plans to block a particular region. The Kraken CEO Jesse Powell previously stated that his platform also has no intention to start blocking users based on their geographical location, unless required to do so. However, he was careful to point out that such a legal requirement could well be forthcoming, and that Russian users should take no of disruptors. Imagine a decentralized Twitter, for instance, that is equal parts social media company and DAO, which is a non-hierarchical organization that spreads control among participants. In such a case, the user doesn't just have access to the platform, but also has a say in shaping it, and can even profit from its success. No surprise then that Han thinks there's a need to build a different kind of firm. To create a new internet that is an improvement over our current tech paradigm is a hugely ambitious project, she wrote. It not only requires brilliant technologists to build, but also experienced operators who can responsibly shape public opinion, policy, and the broader systems that power our society, so that Web3 can fulfill its potential. To this end, the firm said it hired a senior leadership team consisting of several crypto and fintech veterans. Sasha Ivanov, the founder of the protocol, will serve as an advisor to the firm. The launch represents a major step in Wave's plans for 2022, which the firm had announced in February. The protocol also has plans to establish a decentralized governance model and increase integration with other blockchains. Is it altcoin season? Wave's recent gains highlight the growing interest in altcoins in recent weeks. Ethereum's rising popularity ahead of its shift to a proof-of-stake model has drawn attention to several other altcoin projects. Tokens such as Terra, Luna, Cardano, ADA, and Solana, Sol, have all posted large gains in the last 2 weeks, while also attracting increased institutional interest. Sentiment towards the crypto market has also greatly improved, with Bitcoin, BTC, recently touching 2022 highs. And second news today about nifty news. Luxury brands joined Decentraland's Metaverse Fashion Week this past weekend. Decentraland hosted the Metaverse Fashion Week, or MVFW, a 4-day digital fashion event that staged wearables on virtual. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. That price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for VET will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. That price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average VET price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. VET price prediction 2027. VET will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain N 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears